What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at how you can turn your OnePlus 5 into a Pixel 2. And yes, once this is available for the OnePlus 5T 2, I will also leave a link in the description so you guys can enjoy too. But as of right now, we can only enjoy this on our OnePlus 5. So I've been waiting for this specific ROM for the longest time I can remember, since it has been ported to my Redmi Note 4, Redmi Note 3, Euphoria and all other devices that I have. But then again, finally on OnePlus 5 it just feels good, because OnePlus 5 is just amazing. The performance, the display, so it just completely looks like a Pixel 2 over here. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth. App opening times are then again pretty okay. Oxygen OS is just crazy in that part, but you do get your camera and all other stuff, as you can see, with the portrait mode. Now I will leave a link in the description for the portrait mode, but I'm just okay without that, so I will also leave a link in the description for much more stable version of the camera, so it just doesn't crash and all of the features are working. And then again, lens blur just works perfect, so no issues at all. This is your home screen. Looks absolutely perfect. You have your live wallpaper with waves over there. If you slide down, you have your all new notification panel. Now it's much more different than the stock one that you get with the Oxygen OS Oreo update. And as it is Android 8.1, it's also dynamic. Well, if you select any kind of dark wallpapers, let's just do that in the shadows. This is specifically for the Android 8.1. If you just select this one, set wallpaper, both. As you can see, the pixel launcher is now darker. There is no gradient. Again, if you go to the app drawer, it's dark. Looks extremely good if you have a black OnePlus 5. Now if you scroll down, the quick setting panel is also now darker, which is just amazing. But for the pixel experience, it's system wide. In stock Android, you don't get it. So it's a very nice addition to this ROM and I really love it. But if you want to add any kind of dark wallpaper and if you don't want it, if you go into display, there is also new option for UI style. This is not available in stock Android. This is just pixel experience option, so you can select for black, dark or light. So dark, which is what we are using right now. Then again, light is just your normal white and black is just complete black, so you can actually save some battery life. You don't have to use Substratum or any kind of app for it. Then again, let's just select any kind of another live wallpaper. You have a bunch of them over here, such as this earth one. Looks just perfect. These are very high detail wallpapers from Google, but my favorite one is this one where the cars are moving at the bottom. You have all of your stock apps over here. So let's just go to the settings, and this ROM is pretty bugless. I have not encountered any single thing as if right now. So yeah, you can actually use it as a daily driver and I have been using it without a SIM. So my experience with the battery life is kinda amazing. Let me just show you. 62% of battery life and the screen usage is almost 4 hours, which is quite good to be honest for a custom ROM. So let's just go to the display advanced. There is not a lot of stuff, but you do get your normal font size and display size. Extremely adjustable. It's not like in 3 or 5s which you normally get. So again, hats off to the developer for that. You don't get any kind of live display or color calibration, as this is not a Lineage OS ROM. Scrolling down, you have system, then again you have system UI tuner. Going to the navigation bar, you can also enable over here, and this is a full system UI, so you get all the animations as you can see at the bottom. This would be useful for the OnePlus 5T users. Just go to the about phone, Android 8.1.0, and then again look at the security patch. It's January 5, so latest thing that you can get right now. There is the all new Easter egg, looks quite nice. You have your octopus. There is nothing much to it. It was a bit stuttery when I flashed it first, but again after 1 to 2 days of usage, it's just perfect. I am using this ROM as a daily driver because I've been just bored with Oxygen OS. It's not the latest version of Android and the UI just looks like Android 7. So if you flash this, you get many more options. Then again, you have root, so you can actually enable dual speakers and whatever that you like. So let's just get to the installation of this ROM. So first of all, you have to actually unlock your bootloader. Once you do that, you have to also install your top recovery. Now you can find many videos on that. Once you do that, you have to just power off your device. Power off. In Oxygen OS it would be different, but in Android 8.1 it looks much more cooler. Once the device is off, you have to just hold on your power and volume down, just like that, for 1 to 2 seconds. Once you do that, you have to select volume down, then you will get this menu. Just go to recovery. Once you do this, you will be greeted with this UI. You have to just go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, system, data. There is no need of internal storage, but as you will be coming from Oxygen OS, I guess it would be necessary, so I would really recommend to wipe your internal storage over here. Select your Pixel Experience ROM, and then you have to download a stock GApps. Yep, you have to just select your Pixel Experience ROM, add more zips, open GApps and just swipe to flash. You have to just wait till the installation and then just reboot your system. Once it boots after 5 minutes, just set it up and there you go. You have successfully installed Android 8.1.0 Pixel 2 ROM on your OnePlus 5. Now as you can see, there are a few things missing over here, such as no live wallpaper. As you can see, the waves are not moving. Then again, the Pixel launcher looks a bit odd. So I will be also leaving a link in the description for the latest Pixel 2 launcher, the camera and the live wallpapers apps. So to just install it through your file manager, it's not that hard. Camera, you can just continue and install it right over there. Done. Then the Pixel launcher. Done. And the live wallpapers. Done. And once you go home, voila, complete Pixel 2 feel. Now again, if you open the camera, you will be greeted with the Pixel 2 camera, and that's how you completely make your OnePlus 5 into a Pixel 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe down there, and if you liked it, please let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next one. Peace.